Ollie, what do we got?
Ají de Ganilla, lomo saltado, arroz verde, and roasted sweet potatoes.
His
Delicious.
Spanish accent.
Why is cutting meat different than being pro-wheat?
Because you're against the grain.
Right. What are you seasoning the meat with?
Meat glitter.
Nice. All right, some of that, some soy and some cumin.
Oh.
If you can't coach a chicken,
You be a chicken's teacher.
poach a chicken.
This is upside down. Which way do I tell this like this?
Well, the sharp side's down. What part of its body did the garden stub?
It's tomato.
Yeah. Look at this de-seeding of the tomate. Ollie, we gotta play craps in a tiny casino. You know what that calls for?
Fun dice.
Yeah.
Imagine the people's reactions to the guy who said, "You know that thing that makes you cry? Well, yeah, we're gonna put that in everything."
What do you call a cartoon skunk who likes salads?
A animated skunk salad person.
Pepper Le Pew.
What?
Is that Pepper taking its clothes off?
Yes, the pepper's tripping.
You must be rich.
Why?
That's a lot of bread.
Literally all of this evaporated. No.
That's what I meant.
An ice bath?
Yeah,
But
it stops the cooking process.
it's
You ever push a turkey?
no. But I pulled a peacock.
Chicken. Did you?
Daddy.
Do you have any kind radishes?
No, but I have some sweet potatoes.
So while my brother cuts the sweet potatoes, I'm gonna make a shout to my best friend Barry
For doing what?
being my best friend.
What?
Oops.
Mushing the bread. How do you tell your friend Salon to give you the ball?
I have absolutely no idea.
Cilantro. What rhymes with cilantro?
Cilantro and entree.
Those are words.
Yes.
In what language?
English.
Challenge. It's a satisfying noise, huh? Ooh. Excellent work.
Using thunder notes are still.
Oh, Jesus. Color's good.
Ow!
Broth going in. Milk bread. You could dump it. Just turn it, slide it in. You're gonna melt the plastic. There you go. Mix it around. Yeah, it's starting to look right. Looking good. If that steak laughed as a pirate, what would it say?
No idea.
Charity har. Peas and carrots going in. Well, angle. Use the angle of the cut. There you go. It's going in. It'll
Which
deglaze. That one. The one that's a pan.
Great.
Onions going in. Just dump them. Rice going in. Get it all in. Oh my God. Take two.
No,
Just
hold it up.
put the whole thing over the top. Great job. Pulled chicken going in. Hold it over. Make sure you get it all in. Okay, then. Yeah, just kind of press it down to mix it around.
Press it. Yeah.
No, not with your hand. Yeah, that's better. Peppers.
Spilt rice is actually getting cooked.
Yeah. Tomatoes. No, from the big pot, from the big one. Those are extra.
Dad,
Yep, that's not a good place to keep it. Yep, putting it in.
will the rice incident change the quality of the chicken?
No, the chicken's gonna be good. Lomo saltado, looking on point.